Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be decorating my entire room for Christmas. I have been waiting so long for this. All of my stuff has just been piling up in the hallway, and I finally get to decorate with all the cute things that I've been collecting over like the past few months. I'm just gonna stop rambling and get into decorating because I'm way too excited for this. Okay, the first thing I did was just put a fireplace on the TV because my boyfriend brought this over to play his video games and I thought I'd do something useful with it. So I added this cute little fireplace just to set the mood while we decorate. But first we're gonna make my bed because I got these super cute sheets from Target and I'm obsessed with them. This is what they look like. I just got finished washing them. They have like little ice skaters on them and little Christmas trees. I'm so excited about these. So let's make my bed, and I got a cute Christmas blanket and a cute throw pillow to match this, so let's get started with that step. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Okay guys, I'm obsessed with how these sheets look. They're so cute. And then next I just have this UGG comforter. It was on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond because they're closing where I live. But it is so cozy and soft, and it's perfect to keep warm during the holiday season. So I'm gonna put this on and then put all my pillows on my bed. Here are the cute pillowcases that it came with. I'm actually in love. It's so cute. And then these are Amazon throw pillow covers. If you guys want these, they're in my storefront under my bedroom. They're super soft and cozy. I got both of these from Target. This throw blanket that's like a chunky cable knit red color, and then this really cute pillow. It's giving candy cane vibes. I love it. So this is gonna be staple pillow for the season. And then I'm kind of just gonna like throw this on the end of my bed. Okay, I kind of love how that looks. My cat will literally not leave me alone, but I think it looks really cute and festive. So on to the next step. Next up on the agenda is to put some lights around my door frame because it looks really bare right now. And I literally just got these from Walgreens. They were like $7. I'm just gonna put them around the whole entire frame. I'm pretty sure I do this like every year, but it like makes such a big difference in my room and it feels so much more cozy, especially at nighttime. Already super cute, just elevated my room like times 10. I'm obsessed with it. And it's so cozy. So for this little corner of my room, I have a little tree I got from Five Below last year. So I'm gonna set that up and fluff it out. Okay, here's the tree. I need to do a little bit of work on it, but it looks pretty good. I usually don't put any ornaments on it just because I'm more like of a minimalist and I just like how it looks kind of more plain. But I'm gonna fluff this out, and then I got a super cute little tree skirt from Target that I'm gonna put on this as well. And then I've been piling up presents that I've gotten for other people in the hallway, so we're gonna put all those around the tree when we're done with this. Okay, that's as best as we're probably going to get it right now because there's not that many gifts, but it kind of just looks awkward. So I'm going to leave that there for now, and I have a cute little stocking I got, so I'm thinking of putting it right next to my mirror, so we're going to see how that looks. Next up, we're going to tackle this little area where my dresser is because it needs some work. First, I have a Christmas record, so we need to put that in there. And obviously we're gonna do the Justin Bieber one.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Okay, so I got this candle. It's the Christmas cider scent, and then I also got a few of these little mini trees, so I might just set that on there for now.
You know what Christmas is all about.
This area is looking a little bit better. I feel like it's more festive. I think I need to get some more stuff for that little tray, but that'll do for now. And then Stocking looks okay. Now we're gonna put some little decorations on my nightstand. Obviously we need another candle, so I got the sugared snickerdoodle scent, and then I'm just gonna add another one of these little trees. Okay, the last little area we have to decorate is my desk, and obviously there's a huge TV there, so I just have a few little things for it. My sister actually bought me this candle. It's called Cookies and Milk, and it smells really good and Christmassy. And then I just have one more of these little trees, so I might just like set those on the sides of the TV just so there's like something there. I think that is my finished room. I'll give you a little recap. Little trees are from Target. I didn't do anything with my clothes rack section just because it's like a lot going on right now. Then we have this little corner with the Christmas music playing, and then this little area and my stocking. I feel like I need a red one because everything's like white, and I feel like the red would look better. And then my little Christmas tree area. This is probably my favorite little area. I feel like it's so festive and cozy. Also, this candle smells so good. And then my bed, so festive. I love it so much. That's my Christmas room tour. There's not really much I can do right now just because I don't live in my own apartment yet and I still have just this room to work with, but I'm super excited for when I actually have my own place to go like full out with the Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini Christmas decorating vlog, and I love the sheets. That's like my favorite part. It's so adorable. Thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 2, and I will see you tomorrow.